checking here. Hello and namaskaram. Welcome to all the beautiful and gorgeous ladies to today's live session of Varamahalakshmi Silks. Ladies, I'm back again with another exciting episode. I hope you all missed me because I missed you too with all my heart, and I'm back again with another set of beautiful, authentic, traditional Kanchipattu sarees. I know all of you know what I'm talking about. Beautiful traditional Kanchipattu sarees, ladies. Pride of South India. We have beautiful collection today with different patterns, colors and designs. And you all know what to do. Just drop in your favorite colors that you're looking for in today's collection in the comment section below, so I can quickly show you the desired saree you're looking for, and we can make shopping very easy from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Also, one important note, ladies, we have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So if you live nearby, please make sure you visit your nearest VML store, or we have a convenient video call service available for you on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Now let's keep the talking aside and let's start the shopping with the saree I'm wearing. It's a beautiful pink color Kanchipattu saree. On the body we have florals and leaves jal, ladies. Heavy work on the body with diamonds and floral jal on the border. All in golden zari. We have a beautiful brocade worked pallu, ladies. Look at this gorgeous pallu right here. And this beautiful pink color Kanchipattu saree has a self blouse. You can also use a contrasting blouse like I have done, and you can complete the look. So if you want to purchase my saree, ladies, quickly see the details, take a screenshot, and the item code for my saree is BR411 and the offer price is 14,399. Sending it a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next color coming up, ladies. Beautiful Kanchipattu sarees for today's episode. Stay tuned and drop your favorite colors. Let's see this one. I really love the striking navy blue color border of this one. Let me show you the body now. As you can see, ladies, it's a pure authentic Kanchipattu saree, and the color combination is quite a unique one. It's a grey and navy blue color saree. On the body I have all over florals, and we have curvy checks right here, as you can see. And we also have diamonds with florals and elephants on the border. It's a beautiful navy blue color, and we all can see a beautiful brocade pallu, which is all in golden zari, extremely beautiful and gorgeous. And this beautiful saree, ladies, has again a contrasting blouse. I really love this color. It's a very striking color. It completes the look of the saree, very elegant and beautiful. Also very lightweight, ladies, giving you the perfect authentic look of a Kanchipattu saree. Let me show you the details. Item code is BZ474. Offer price is 15,999, valid for 24 hours. So please avail these offers before they expire, because we would love to deliver your desired saree at your doorstep. Ladies, I cannot see any comments. Please drop in your favorite colors from today's episode so we can make shopping very easy. Let's see our next saree, which is a lovely orange color. See this beautiful orange color saree. On the body we have again florals and leaves jal. It's a beautiful Fanta orange color, ladies. It's extremely gorgeous. And on the border we have floral jal with peacocks and cross lines. Let me show you the pallu, which is a floral brocade pallu, all in green color. And we have a contrasting blouse, which is also green. Let me show you the details. A very warm welcome to Chandan sir. Let me show you the details. Item code CA715 and the offer price is 15,999, valid for 24 hours. Shilpa ma'am is looking for a yellow sari. We have a yellow sari coming up, ma'am. Please stay tuned. Let's see this color for now. This is all in copper zari work, ladies. It's a very gorgeous sari. A nice navy blue with copper zari. On the body, we have all leaf booties in zari. And a lovely looking border as well, which has peacocks right here. Very, very beautiful and intricate work, ladies. We also have diamonds, all in copper zari. And we have a beautiful pallu, which has dollar booties in zari lines. We also have a contrasting blouse. Now, this is a very unique contrasting blouse, ladies. It's a really striking color. Since the all over sari is navy blue, we have a very nice contrasting orange color which is completing the look of the sari. You can also wear this for any festival, or you can gift it to your near and dear ones who love Kanchi Pattu saris. Let me also show you the details of the sari. Item code is BW551 and the offer price is 21,450. This is valid only for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail these offers before they expire. Shweta ma'am, a yellow sari coming up for you. Please stay tuned. We will also show you a baby pink one. And I'm really liking how you're dropping all the colors. All you beautiful ladies, please drop your favorite colors. Let's see this one. On the body, we have florals and leaves in zari. This is a very, very striking lime yellow color. And the border is very, very nice. It's a nice striking black color on the border. We have here peacocks, we have triangles, ladies, very, very nice, cute looking triangles, as you can see. And we have a pallu, which is a floral brocade pallu. Let me also show you the contrasting blouse, which is a lovely black color. Very, very beautiful and elegant. Lime yellow and black is a very nice combination, ladies, very unique. Look at this sari, so nice and elegant. You can also wear this for a day function, I would say, because it's a very nice contrasting bright color. You can wear this for a day event. Let me show you the details to purchase this beautiful sari right here. Item code is BY305. Offer price is 23,100, valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you send in a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number, ladies, which you already know is 8900010002. Also, ladies, today's episode is going to be very, very beautiful and elegant. Please make sure you stay till the end and drop your favorite colors from today's episode. Let's see our next sari coming up. Lovely pinkish peach color. This is for Shweta ma'am. This is a pink color for you, Shweta ma'am. We also have a baby pink. I'll show that to you next. Let me show you the body of the sari, which has florals and dollar buttis in zari. So beautiful dollar buttis right here on the body. We also have a very, very nice looking contrast border, ladies. It's a nice lilacish purple color. It has small zari checks and stripes in lines. Pallu is a brocade pallu. Let's see the work on this pallu, ladies. It's a very nice copper zari work right here, and the blouse is a lovely, lovely striking contrasting blouse, which is also navy blue, and I really like the minute details on the blouse. It's really completing the look of the sari. Very, very nice. It's a very nice color, will suit your complexion. It's a very beautiful shade. Let me show you the details. Item code is CA648 and the offer price of this sari is only 6,959, which is so reasonable, ladies. It's such a gorgeous Kanchi Pattu sari and the color is so beautiful, only at 6,000 rupees. So please make sure you send in lots and lots of screenshots onto our WhatsApp number, and our WhatsApp number is 8900010002. Shweta ma'am, baby pink sari coming up for you on your request. Wow, look at this one. It's a beautiful baby pink with navy blue, and we have on the body florals and leaf buttis in zari. Very, very nice and elegant work on the body, ladies. Look at this body, very beautiful, a nice pink color, very festive wear. And we also have a beautiful border, which is a tissue border. It has peacocks and florals and tissue. and a floral brocade pallu. Wow, heavily worked on, elegant and beautiful is the word. We also have a contrasting blouse, ladies. Now the highlight of the blouse is we have a nice grey, we have a blue, and we also have a golden right here. Very nice, the complete look from this sari. Let me show you the details. Item code is BT176 and the offer price is 14,080 rupees. Sending a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number. A very warm welcome to Sandeep Kada sir. Thank you so much for your thumbs up. Let's see our next sari. Wow, it's a very beautiful yellow and it's a comfortable and easy to wear sari. On the body I have self lines and I have polka dots, ladies. As you can see, we have small polka dots on the body and beautiful looking paisley buttis. Wow, this is really nice, ladies. The sari is gorgeous. We have green color as well. We have a nice paisley butti design and we have a brocade pallu. Look at this pallu. Wow. The blouse is a contrasting blouse. It has so many shades on it. And ladies, point to be noted that this sari is extremely budget friendly and it's a nice kanchi pattu sari. If you want the feel of the sari but yet you can gift it to anyone because it's so reasonable. The item code is CA668 and the offer price is 6,319. Sending a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number, ladies, which you already know, is 8900010002. Hope you beautiful ladies are enjoying today's episode, and please drop in your favorite colors from today's episode so I can show you your favorite sari and we can do lots and lots of shopping together. Let's see our next color. Wow, it's a very vibrant color coming up. For ladies who prefer the brighter colors on the palette and who want to experiment with their look, this is one such sari. It's a very nice purple color, and on the body of the sari we have florals and leaves jal. Heavy work, ladies, very nice heavy floral jal work on the body. And we also have on the border, as you can see, florals. We also have peacocks, we have leaf buttis all in lines. Extremely elegant. The pallu has florals. Let me show you in curvy checks. And the blouse of the sari is a self blouse, ladies. It's such a lovely color, a beautiful purple color. To complete the look is a really nice purple shade. You can also wear this to any festival, any function. Let me show you the details. And the item code is CA657 and the offer price is 15,999. Valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail this offer. Beautiful purple sari once again for you. Onto a screenshot, you know the WhatsApp number, ladies, 8900010002. Let's see our next sari. The chocolate brown color, what a lovely color. Yellow and pink combination. A yellow and pink combination is coming up, ma'am. Please make sure you make it till the end. Pooja, ma'am, let me show you this sari for now. It's a beautiful brown and sea green color. And on the body, I have paisley buttis in zari. As you can see, huge paisley buttis right here. We have gold, we have silver. On the border, I have peacocks and florals. It's a very nice sea green color, very nice aqua color. And on the pallu, we have paisley buttis, very lovely. Let me show you the contrasting blouse. Now this is a very nice color, ladies. It's my mom's favorite color. I see this color everywhere in my house and it's very nice, and on the blouse it would look really nice, would complete the look, and the color is so beautiful with a chocolate brown, a very unique combination. Let me show you the details of the sari. Quickly purchase it on my personal recommendation. Item code BB456 and the offer price is 8,159. Moving on to our next sari. Hope you ladies are enjoying. Let's see this one. Wow, it's a very nice floral design I see on this sari. A nice kanchi pattu. It's a goldish green color. It's a unique color, ladies, to specify. It's a goldish green color along with a royal blue. On the body, I see heavy florals and leaves jal. So you can see these cute roses which are blue in color. Very nice. And on the border, I have elephants, diamonds and florals. The pallu is a brocade pallu. Wow, very very nice ladies. Look at this pallu. And we have a lovely contrasting blouse to this sari. Very very nice. Let me show you the details. Item code is CA653. Offer price 12,799. Ladies, it's very important that you follow us on our digital platforms because all our live videos will be saved there. In case you miss our live videos, you can watch it later and book your sari from there as well and send it quickly onto our WhatsApp number. Very convenient video call service available for you. If you are looking for a specific color and you want to buy it for a specific occasion, you can WhatsApp us directly on a video call and we'll show you all the available options there. Very convenient, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's talk and shop. This beautiful red and navy blue combination is a Kanchi Pattu sari and it's a very very unique body. It's a self-embossed body. On the border I have florals and leaves jal and a lovely brocade pallu. We have a contrasting blouse as well. Look at this blouse. So elegant. I love the material ladies. It's very very nice and authentic and you can totally trust us with the quality. Let's see the details of the sari. Item code BY404. Offer price is only 7,119. What a lovely offer. It's a beautiful self-embossed Kanchi Pattu sari. Very very elegant and beautiful. Sending a screenshot quickly onto our WhatsApp number which is 8900010002. Pooja ma'am, on your request we have a yellow sari. Look at this sari. On the body I have self checks and we have paisleys. We also have a floral booty design. Look at this ladies, we have so much variety on the body. It's a very nice yellow color body. So much variety with floral booties. We also have paisleys and the border also has floral jal with peacocks. Look at this peacock design, so beautiful. Pallu is a unique pallu. We have leaf brocade work right here and a lovely looking contrasting blouse as well. Look at this color. So nice. It's a lovely contrast. It's such a nice bright color. You can wear this anywhere to a function or day wear or you can gift it to your relatives as well. Let me show you the details because the budget friendly sari is this. The item code is CA662 and the offer price is only 8,159 ladies. Please grab this offer. This Kanchi Pattu sari with pure authentic vibes, pure tradition, lovely yellow color. Pooja ma'am, you should totally grab this one. It's so reasonable. It's only 8,000 rupees with a pure quality. Ladies, if you have any specific color you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to show you your favorite sari from today's episode. Let me show you the next sari now. It's a beautiful elephant black. It's a unique color. It's an elephant black color along with a striking red border. On the body we have florals and leaves jal ladies. Heavy work, heavily worked on florals and leaves jal. And on the border I have peacocks, elephants and cross lines. Very nice red color. Pallu is a floral brocade pallu which is also red. And we have a contrasting blouse which is also red. Very nice and elegant. I think it's a unique color. It's an elephant black color along with a red. Very nice sari and it's very pure. The vibe, the texture is very nice. Let me show you the details of the sari. Item code is CA854 and the offer price is 19,499. Very reasonable, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Quickly send a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Please drop in your favorite colors from today's episode ladies so I can show you your saris and you can do lots and lots of shopping along with me or we can have a nice chat. Let's see this one. It's a peach and blue color Kanchi Pattu sari and on the body I have florals and leaves jal very elegant peach color. The lovely looking border as well, which has cross lines here, as you can see, with floral jal. Now the pallu is really beautiful. Let me show you. It has small polka dots in cross lines. And we have a lovely contrast to this sari. Again, as I told you, I really like this color. It looks really nice when worn. Let's get to the details. Item code is CA721 and the offer price is 19,499. Very warm welcome to Saundarya ma'am and Manisha ma'am. Don't worry, Anika will come back soon, but make sure you miss me as well. Let's see our next sari. It's a very beautiful color coming up for you ladies. The brown and mustard color, very nice. Again, it's a chocolate brown. On the body, I see florals and cross checks. Look at these cross checks. This is in silver zari, very nice. And the border has peacocks, cross lines and florals. Very nice border. Very nice mustard color, yellowish mustard color. And the pallu has diamonds and florals. The blouse of the sari is a contrast, ladies. It's a lovely goldenish mustard color, I would say. It's a very lovely shade and it's very beautiful in person as well. So please make sure you have your eyes on this sari. Really gorgeous combination of a really nice mustard along with a nice chocolate brown. Perfect combination. Let me show you the details. CA727 is the item code and the offer price is 20,999. Valid for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail this offer and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Our next sari is a beautiful green color, ladies, and it's a borderless sari, very unique. Look at this one, feels so light, very nice. Body has floral buttis in zari. It's a borderless sari and the pallu of the sari has florals and leaf buttis. Let me show you the blouse, which is a self blouse. आइए ladies, अब हम item code देखते हैं, which is CA669 and the offer price is 7,304. बहुत ही reasonable price, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. So please make sure you send in lots and lots of screenshots onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. I have a lovely color coming up for you ladies. Wow, look at this color. कितना खूबसूरत है ये. It's a magenta color. On the body of this sari, I have florals and leaves jal. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारा हेवी एंड फ्लोरल लीफ जाल वर्क किया हुआ है बॉडी पर और बॉर्डर बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. वी हैव पीकॉक्स एंड फ्लोरल्स. यहाँ पे क्रॉस लाइंस भी देखने को मिल रहा है. वेरी नाइस. सब सिल्वर जरी में वर्क किया हुआ है. एंड अ ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू विच इज़ अ फ्लोरल ब्रोकेट पल्लू. अब मैं आपको कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज दिखाती हूँ इसका. Very nice shade. Love this shade ladies. I'm wearing one such shade similar to that. Very beautiful. A lovely magenta, very striking and elegant, and everything is in silver zari. Silver zari is a very elegant work ladies, and I always look forward to saris which have silver zari. Very beautiful. Let me show you the details. Item code is CA856 and the offer price is 15,199. Rashmi ma'am is looking for an off-white sari. Stay tuned ma'am, we'll show you an off-white sari. Our next color coming up is extremely gorgeous. बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है ये green color. बहुत ही ज़्यादा bright है. Very beautiful. It's a light green kanchi pattu sari and the body has self-embossed right here and we have buttis in zari. कितना खूबसूरत बुट्टी डिज़ाइन है बॉडी पर. वेरी नाइस. पेस्टली बुटीज भी है. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन एंड बॉर्डर पे हमारे पास डायमंड्स है एंड वी आल्सो हैव अ टेम्पल डिज़ाइन with peacocks and florals, silver zari. Pallu pe bhi leaf buttis hai ladies. Look at the silver zari work, very very beautiful, and we also have cross checks. And let me show you the contrasting blouse, which is a beautiful shade, really really beautiful. Feels really nice and it's extremely lightweight, bilkul comfortable sari hai. Let me show you the details. Budget friendly bhi hai ladies. Item code is BX661 and the offer price is only 8,624. A very warm welcome to me too, ma'am. I'm so glad you're here. Please drop in your favorite sari from today's episode and your color, so I would love to show it to you. Moving on to our next sari ladies. A gorgeous color coming up. Grey color, more of a grey. It's a grey and maroon color. मैं आपको बॉर्डर पहले दिखाती हूँ लेडीज. वी हैव zigzag lines, cross lines, florals and paisleys यहाँ पे on the border. A very beautiful maroon color. और बॉडी पे आप देख सकते हैं कि we have cross lines with florals. It's a really nice grey color. We also have paisleys, we have zigzag lines and a beautiful brocade pallu. यहाँ पे काम गोल्डन जरी का किया हुआ है, very very beautiful. मैं आपको कंट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज दिखाती हूँ. बहुत ही खूबसूरत मरून कलर है. सच अ गॉर्जियस शेड. लुक एट दिस कलर, वेरी वेरी ब्राइडल एंड एलिगेंट. And two colors which are very very opposite, maroon and grey, in one saree, giving you a perfect look. You can wear this to anywhere. You can wear this for a day function, festival, or you can gift it also. Let me show you the details. Item code is BZ500. Offer price is 18,749. Now ladies, please note that these offers सिर्फ 24 hours के लिए valid है. उसके बाद ये expire हो जाएंगे. तो please make sure you avail these offers and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. बहुत टाइम से मैंने आपको एक पिंक साड़ी नहीं दिखाई. We have a lovely pink coming up for you. Look at this beautiful shade. Look at the body. Prasanna ma'am, look at this saree. This is on your notice. It's a 1000 butta saree right here. Let's see the body. It's a pink and navy blue color. On the body we have floral booties in zari. And on the border we have circles, we have cross lines. It's a beautiful navy blue color. Very very elegant and it's giving you a very nice purplish look. Purple shade दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. पल्लू पे भी have leaves जाल ladies. यहाँ पर leaves जाल का काम किया हुआ है in cross lines and it's all in golden zari work. और यहाँ पे मैं एक बहुत खूबसूरत contrasting blouse लेके आई हूँ. It's very very beautiful. Look at this one. Let me also show you the details. Item code is CA664. Offer price 7,519. ये बहुत ही reasonable offer है ladies and it's a pure Kanchipattu saree. Please make sure you avail it. A gorgeous 1000 butta saree for you. Let's move on to our next saree, which is beautiful. Before that ladies, please make sure you follow us everywhere on our digital platforms जो है Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And if you don't know, it's a very simple step that you have to follow and all our live videos will be saved there. And please hit the bell icon on our YouTube and subscribe so you will know every time we post our new videos. Let's see this color. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो और आज का सेशन अच्छा लग रहा है. If you're looking for any specific color ladies, please comment section में लिख दीजिए and drop it in the comment section. So I would love to show you your desired saree from today's episode. Let's see this color. Again we have a sea green color and we have a striking navy blue right here. Kanchipattu, pure, authentic, traditional. On the body I have all over floral butties. यहाँ पे पूरी बॉडी पर फ्लोरल बुट्टी का काम किया हुआ है. एज यू कैन सी सब गोल्डन जरी में. बॉर्डर पे यहाँ पे पीकॉक्स एंड फ्लोरल्स दिख रहे हैं लेडीज. वी हैव क्रॉस लाइंस. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी नाइस नेवी ब्लू कलर. लेट मी ऑल्सो शो यू द पल्लू व्हिच हैज फ्लोरल्स एंड क्रॉस चेक्स. और बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज है यहाँ पर. very very beautiful. It's a really nice shade, very elegant, nice navy blue color. Details मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ladies, बहुत ही खूबसूरत साड़ी है. Item code is BW531 and the offer price is 23,249. Valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail this offer and send it on to our WhatsApp number which is 8900010002. एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत साड़ी आ रही है ladies. It's a very very nice साड़ी. Look at this one. I hope आपको आज का live video session अच्छा लग रहा है. If you're looking for anything in specific, please drop it in the comment section so I can help you shop from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's see this beautiful color. It's a pink color and on the body we have floral butties. ये पूरे पर floral butty का काम किया हुआ है circles में. और बॉर्डर पर यहाँ पे पीकॉक्स है. वी हैव फ्लोरल जाल. वी ऑल्सो हैव क्रॉस लाइन्स. और एक खूबसूरत पल्लू है यहाँ पर. वी हैव अ फ्लोरल ब्रोकेड पल्लू. एंड वी हैव अ ब्लाउज which is a contrasting blouse. Now Prasanna ma'am, if you're looking for colors in a 1000 butta sari, please make sure you WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. We have a lot of options. So we will show you via video call so you can select them personally. Our WhatsApp number is 8900010002. Let's see the details of this sari. Item code is CA852 and the offer price is 21,749. Deepal ma'am is looking for a light orange color. There was one light orange color which I already showed you. Please make sure you check that out as well ma'am, and I'll just check if we have a light orange color. Let's see this one. You can anytime WhatsApp us ladies. कोई specific shade आप देखना चाह रहे हैं तो please आप हमको WhatsApp करिए. We have every color available. We will show you on WhatsApp call service. And video call पे आप बात कर सकते हैं. We can talk there and we will show you a lot of options from the video call. Let's see this saree. It's a sea green and blue color. On the body I have floral booties in zari. यहाँ पे बहुत खूबसूरत floral booties है. As you can see, सब पर golden zari किया हुआ है. And border also is extremely nice. We have a paisley jal border with cross lines right here and florals. Let me also show you the pallu which has floral and beautiful small zari boxes right here. और इसका contrasting blouse बहुत ही खूबसूरत है ladies. Such a nice shade. Look at this blouse. कितना खूबसूरत है. Very very elegant and beautiful. आपको details दिखाती हूँ. To purchase this beautiful saree, just आपको screenshot लेना है item code के साथ which is CA665 and the offer price is 9,119. Let's see our next saree coming up ladies. Hope you are loving today's episode. ये साड़ी को देखते हैं क्लोजली. बॉडी पे जाते हैं पहले. इट्स अ लाइट ग्रीन टील ब्लू कलर साड़ी. ऑल ओवर फ्लोरल बुट्टीज इन जरी ऑन द बॉडी विद डायमंड्स हियर एंड पेस्टलीज विद पीकॉक्स ऑन द बॉर्डर. पल्लू पे ब्रोकेड वर्क किया हुआ है लेडीज. लेट मी शो यू. और यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज है. तब प्यारा कलर है. लुक एट दिस वन. लेट मी शो यू द डिटेल्स टू परचेज दिस ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी. द आइटम कोड इज CA851 and the offer price is only 11,999. Valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail this offer and send it on to our WhatsApp number. एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलर आ रहा है. बहुत टाइम से मैंने आपको एक ऐसा कलर नहीं दिखाया है. It's a lovely red color, more of a maroon red color. बॉडी पे हम जाते हैं. वी हैव स्मॉल फ्लोरल बुटीज इन जरी. इट्स अ रेड कलर साड़ी और बॉर्डर पर फ्लोरल्स, डायमंड्स और डॉलर्स एंड बॉक्सेस. pallu is a brocade pallu, all in copper zari, and we have a lovely looking contrasting blouse ladies. Look at this one. कितना खूबसूरत है. Let me show you the details. Item code is BZ231 and the offer price is 6,959. बहुत ही रीजनेबल ऑफर है 6,959 का. बस वैलिड फॉर 24 आवर्स. ये सारी आप किसी को गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हैं. सो रीजनेबल एंड बजट फ्रेंडली लेडीज. ब्रॉट यू बाय वरमालक्ष्मी सिल्क्स. अ लवली येलो कमिंग अप फॉर यू एंड आई सी ह्यूज पेस्टलीज ऑन द बॉडी. लुक एट दिस वन. Let's see this beautiful yellow color. Body पे आप देख रहे हैं भी आप paisley butties all over and all over florals है. पलक मैम आपने येलो साड़ी बोली और मैं येलो साड़ी ले आई हूँ. Let's see this yellow color specially for you. And the border of the sari has zigzag lines with floral jar. Pallu also has floral brocade work. And इसका ब्लाउज इतना खूबसूरत है. It's a beautiful contrast, a very very nice bright pink. You beautiful ladies know कि मेरा current favorite obsession color pink चल रहा है, तो मुझे सब कुछ pink अच्छा लग रहा है, especially in sarees, and the contrasting blouse is so beautiful. Let me show you the details. Item code is BU535 and the offer price is 6,248. Ladies, ये इतना reasonable offer है. It's only for 6,248. You can gift it to anybody and it's a pure kanchi pattu sari. Talking about the quality, the material is excellent. Let me show you the next color. Wow, कितनी अच्छी variety मिल रही है. Look at this variety. Look at this color. Magenta and teal blue. We have a self-embossed body all over and dollar butties here and cross checks with floral jar. Pallu has brocade work and we have a contrasting blouse. Teal blue. Let me show you the details. Item code of this sari is CA755 and the offer price is 7,832. Again very very reasonable. Sending it a screenshot. Let's see this sari coming up, ladies. Beautiful sari. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. Let me show you the body first. It's yellow and sea blue color. Florals and leaves jar on the body and also on the border with zigzag lines. दोनों पर फ्लोरल जाल वर्क किया हुआ है बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से. एंड द पल्लू ऑल्सो हैज पेस्लीज विथ फ्लोरल्स. कितना खूबसूरत पेस्ली बुट्टी का वर्क किया हुआ है पल्लू पर. वी हैव अ लवली कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज एज वेल. अगेन वी हैव अ रियली नाइस शेड. लेट मी शो यू द details to purchase this beautiful sari. All you have to do is take a screenshot. Item code is CA853 and the offer price is 10,879. जल्दी से ये सब स्क्रीनशॉट्स अपने व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8900010002 को भेज दीजिए लेडीज बिफोर ये ऑफर्स एक्सपायर. लेट्स सी आवर नेक्स्ट कलर. वाओ, नेवी ब्लू विथ पिंक, क्लासिक कॉम्बिनेशन. Florals and peacock butties in zari with self checks we have here on the body. इस self checks कितना खूबसूरत है, all in golden zari. और borders पर डॉलर वर्क किया हुआ है. We have peacocks as well in checks. Let's see the pallu which has leaf butties in zari. एक beautiful contrast है with pink color. Details of the sari are BY758 and the offer price is only 8,159. ये भी बहुत रीजनेबल साड़ी है. आप किसी को भी गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, लेडीज, रिलेटिव्स को, फ्रेंड्स को. वेरी वेरी नाइस साड़ी. लेट मी शो द नेक्स्ट वन. इट्स अ लवली कलर कमिंग अप फॉर यू. होप यू आर एंजॉयिंग टुडेज एपिसोड. इट्स अ वाइन कलर, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज अनदर माय मॉम्स फेवरेट कलर. वेरी नाइस वाइन कलर. On the body we have florals in zari here and dollars. As you can see यहाँ पे बहुत खूबसूरत डॉलर्स बने हुए हैं बॉर्डर्स पर with floral design. सब सिल्वर जरी में किया हुआ है. एलिगेंट एंड ब्यूटीफुल कर्वी लाइंस भी है, टेम्पल डिजाइन भी है. एंड पल्लू ऑल्सो हैज फ्लोरल्स एंड डायमंड्स. एंड इसका ब्लाउज इतना खूबसूरत है. इट्स अ लवली कॉन्ट्रास्ट. लुक एट दिस कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, वेरी वेरी नाइस. वाइन को बहुत अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड द डिटेल्स आर item code BZ666. ऑफर प्राइस 6,719. ये पूरी सारीज बहुत ही रीजनेबल प्राइसेस में चल रही हैं. तो आप किसी को गिफ्ट करना चाहे तो प्लीज कर दीजिए एंड सेंड इट ऑन टू आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8900010002. लेट्स सी आवर नेक्स्ट साड़ी. It's a light pink color. On the body I have leaf butties in zari. और बॉर्डर्स पर यहाँ पे क्रॉस लाइन्स है विद पीकॉक्स एंड फ्लोरल्स. पल्लू पे ब्रोकेड वर्क किया हुआ है, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट शेड ब्रोकेड वर्क। एंड इसके भी एक ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज है विच इज़ वेरी वेरी नाइस एंड एलिगेंट, लाइट कलर है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है साड़ी को, पिंक कलर बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है। एंड द डिटेल्स ऑफ द साड़ी, लेट मी शो यू द डिटेल्स। आइटम कोड CA681 एंड द ऑफर प्राइस इज ओनली 7,439। ये सिर्फ 24 आवर्स के लिए वैलिड है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू अवेल इट एंड सेंड इट ऑन टू आवर व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8900010002। लेट्स सी दिस ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी कमिंग अप। सी ग्रीन कलर रॉयल ब्लू के साथ में वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल है। ऑन द बॉडी आई हैव फ्लोरल butties in zari and floral jal with cross lines on the border. Pallu has florals here in cross checks और एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज है, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, वेरी वेरी नाइस कलर। डिटेल्स ऑफ द साड़ी, आइटम कोड फॉर दिस साड़ी इज CA709, offer price is 14,399. Shilpa ma'am was looking for a bottle green sari. Ma'am, this is also green, not specifically bottle green, but ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत साड़ी है. Please make sure you have your eyes on this one as well. Let me show you our next sari. जिगल मैम को रेड साड़ी चाहिए थी, ये रेड साड़ी आ गई है मैम के लिए. Let's see this one on the body. Let's see the body of the sari first. Florals and leaves jal है and on the border I have diamonds and floral jal. पल्लू पर भी एक beautiful brocade work है and we have a very very beautiful self blouse to this sari which is red in color. Let me show you the details of the sari. Item code CA687 and the offer price is 18,150. Jhansi ma'am, in the beginning of today's live I already explained my sari. Once again I'll do it for you. It's a beautiful pink color. On the body I have floral jal, heavy floral jal and leaves jal work. Border I have diamonds and paisley jal right here. Once again for Jhansi Rani ma'am because she's my favorite viewer. And we have brocade work on the pallu with a lovely self blouse to this sari. If you wish to purchase it, I have already showed the details in the beginning of this live ma'am. First sari, please take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number. Let's see this sari. Vaishali ma'am is looking for an off-white. We already showed an off-white ma'am. Please make sure you check that. Let's see this sari for now. Peach color paisley butties in zari on the body with dollars, diamonds and zigzag lines. यहाँ पे फ्लोरल डिजाइन भी किया हुआ है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. पीच कलर विद सिल्वर जरी वर्क और ब्लाउज भी बहुत प्यारा है. पल्लू पे पेस्टली जाल है लेडीज. वी हैव क्रॉस लाइंस एंड पेस्टली जाल्स और बहुत ही अच्छा कॉन्ट्रास्ट. लेट मी शो यू दिस ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्ट्रास्ट, वेरी वेरी नाइस पिंक कलर अलॉन्ग विद सिल्वर जरी. डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी, आइटम कोड इज CA676, offer price 7,199. We have a lovely red saree for which I want to show you the details, ladies. Let's check the details out. Hope you love the details of this saree. I have a very beautiful saree in my hands right here. It's green and black, ladies. इतना प्यारा कलर है. Look at the body. We have floral butties and cross checks. Swapna ma'am, the specific color you said, I have the same color saree in my hand. Deep green with black. It's the same combination, literally the same. Let's see the body first. Floral butties and cross checks and we have cross lines on the border. Let me show you the pallu which has brocade work as well, copper zari में, और एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा contrasting blouse है which is a lovely black color. It's a very beautiful sari ladies. It has florals and leaves jal on the body. Very nice copper zari work. Let me show you the details. Item code BR398 and the offer price is 18,374. Thank you so much for the compliment, Rashid sir. If you like any sari, please make sure you take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number. Let's see our next color. Let's see the body. It's a beautiful navy blue and sea green. On the body, I have peacocks here and we have elephants in boxes. It's very beautiful. कितना खूबसूरत डिजाइन है ये. और सेम बॉर्डर पर भी है. We have peacocks and elephants in boxes here. यहाँ पे elephants हैं boxes में. Beautiful sea green color है. पल्लू पर भी लीफ बुट्टीस है. और यहाँ पे एक बहुत खूबसूरत contrasting blouse भी है. Let me show you the details. Item code is BS57. Offer price is 7,359. Thank you so much for the compliment, Poonam ma'am and Suraksha ma'am. If you are looking for a specific color, tell me, I'll just show it to you. Let's see our next color. Let's see the body first. एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलर है. बॉडी पर देखते हैं पहले. Green and pink color sari combination. On the body, heavy florals and leaves jal work. And border has cross lines. We have temples. We also have peacocks. बहुत ही प्यारा पिंक कलर का बॉर्डर है. पल्लू पर zigzag lines है और एक contrasting blouse है which is also pink. Let me show you the details. Item code is BY175 and the offer price is 13,599. Let's see our next beautiful color coming up, ladies. Hope you're enjoying today's episode because I love showing you all Kanchi Pattu sarees, and let's all take lots and lots of screenshots from today's episode and send it on to our WhatsApp number. एक beautiful साड़ी आ रही है हमारे पास, very beautiful green color. बॉडी दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको पहले इस साड़ी की. बहुत ही खूबसूरत बॉडी है. लाइट ग्रीन एंड मजेंटा कलर. Suraksha ma'am was looking for a magenta color. This is one magenta color. Body of the sari has florals and peacock buttis, और border पर we have florals and leaves. Let me also show you the pallu which has diamonds and cross checks and a beautiful contrasting blouse. Details पर जाते हैं ladies. आप जल्दी से screenshot ले लीजिए. Item code है CA699 and the offer price is 22,275. Send a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number which is 8900010002. Let's see this beautiful sari. It's a Kanchi Pattu sari, very beautiful and authentic peach and blue color. On the body we have floral buttis in self checks and cross lines here. Peacocks भी है यहाँ पे एक beautiful blue color का. पल्लू पे brocade design है और एक खूबसूरत contrasting blouse भी है इस साड़ी का. very nice blue color. इसके details मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. Let me show you the details. Please take a screenshot if you like this sari, and the item code for this sari is BZ207 and the offer price is 7,519. Ladies, please make sure you visit your nearest VML store. We have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please make sure you visit your nearest VML store. And Shilpa ma'am, it's nothing like that. It's a specific shade that you're looking for, and we have 45 saris in one live session. So it's not compulsory we'll have the same shade, but we will have it in our store. So please make sure you just WhatsApp call us on a video call. We'll definitely show you the shade. We'll try to show you the closest shade to your color. It's nothing like that. So please make sure you video call us and you can find your color. Let's see our next sari. Asta ma'am wanted to see this color. This is one your favorite color, ma'am. You wanted a brown color. Let's see this one. So brown and sea green. On the body we have paisley buttis in zari and peacocks with florals on the border. Blouse has a lovely contrast. Pallu bhi bahut khoobsurat tha. Let's see the blouse and the details of the sari. It's a very reasonable budget friendly sari ladies. Kanchipattu sari. Item code is BV456 and the offer price is 8,159. We have one beautiful sari left, which is a lovely color. It's very nice. It's a bridal color which is red. One final sari, and we also have a purple, so please stay tuned for that as well. And you can also see beautiful saris on our mannequins. Ladies, please stay updated and follow us on our digital platforms, and you will know anytime we have any live videos saved. You can also check the collection from there as well, and please visit your nearest VML store. Let's see this sari. Shweta ma'am, this is your favorite color. You wanted this color. Let me show you this one. Let's see the body of the sari. On the body we have florals and leaves jal. The color is purple and the border has cross lines, leaf buttis and peacocks. Pallu has florals and curvy checks and a lovely self blouse to this sari. Details dekhte hain. Item code of the sari is CA657 and the offer price is 15,999, valid for 24 hours. Jaldi se beautiful saris dekhte hain mannequins pe. Let's check the saris on the mannequins. Beautiful grey color. On the body we have florals and leaves jal and peacocks with florals and cross lines on the border. Pallu has zigzag lines and the blouse is a lovely contrasting blouse. बहुत ही प्यारा grey color shade है. Let me show you the details ladies. Item code of this sari is CA651 and the offer price is 19,499. You're most welcome Sapna Das ma'am. I'm very glad and you no need to thank me. We are most welcome. It's our pleasure. Let's see our next sari. बहुत ही खूबसूरत और ब्राइट कलर आ रहा है. It's a very nice color. पिंक कलर की साड़ी है. Florals and leaf buttis. On the body we have florals and leaf buttis with peacocks and florals on the border. Cross lines भी है border पर, very beautiful. और पल्लू पर zigzag lines. ब्लाउज एक बहुत ही प्यारा कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज है लेडीज. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. आई रियली लाइक द शेड. इट्स अ नाइस पिंक कलर and the details. Item code is CA658 and the offer price is 19,499. ये जो पर्टिकुलर पिंक कलर की साड़ी आपने देखी लेडीज, ये बहुत खूबसूरत है. इस पे सिल्वर जरी का वर्क किया हुआ है. यू कैन वेयर दिस फॉर एनी फेस्टिवल, एनी ओकेजन. बहुत ही प्यारा है एंड द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कंचीपट्टू साड़ी. लेट्स सी आवर नेक्स्ट वन. Seeking blessings from the goddess. Our next color is a striking yellow color. Body पर floral work किया हुआ है with leaves jal. We also have birds. We have horses on the body, yellow color. Border has floral jal and peacocks as well with diamonds. And the pallu has cross checks work with floral design with a lovely contrasting blouse. Let me show you the details ladies. Item code is CA855 and the offer price is 21,749. बहुत ही प्यारा येलो कलर है. Very bright and lovely on the palette. Please make sure you visit us at road number 56 Jubilee Hills and visit the nearest VML store. Let's see this sari. The color is green and pink. On the body we have florals and leaves jal in zari. और बॉर्डर पर फ्लोरल डिजाइन किया हुआ है बॉक्सेस में. Pallu has kadi work with diamonds and this beautiful sari has a contrasting pink color blouse. बहुत ही रीजनेबल प्राइस है इस साड़ी का. आइटम कोड इज BU369 एंड द ऑफर प्राइस इज 10,560. That's it for today's videos, ladies, and today's live session. Please make sure you visit your nearest VML store. Once again, we have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Also in Hyderabad at road number 56 Jubilee Hills, where all the beautiful collection is waiting for you. And hope you liked today's episode, because I'm signing off for today. And please take a screenshot if you liked any sari and send it on to our WhatsApp number. Convenient video call service for you on our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. You can also have a one-on-one video call. If you're looking for a specific color, we will show you a variety and you can choose your favorite sari. So that's it for today's live session, ladies. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow with another gorgeous set of saris. Until then, miss me because I'll miss you too. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Kritya Kada signing off. Namaskaram.